Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. My stone is right here ready to go. It's been soaking in water. I'm going to start with the coarse grain. We'll move to medium and then to fine. So this is the first time that I'm using a stone to sharpen. I have my little water bottle here to keep it wet, make sure that it's wet. I will start with my nice knife first. So you can do it back and forth that way, or you can do it that way based on the video that I watched. So I think I'll try this way first. Seems a little bit more natural to me. So you're supposed to keep it at like a 20-degree angle as much as possible, and you're supposed to do it both sides. So we'll do this side first. And you want to be careful that if you are using some sort of a towel underneath, that you don't really care if it gets dirty, because the sand will come off and it'll stain it permanently. So I wouldn't really expect it to be sharp here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to do it a few more times. Okay, so we'll go ahead and move over to medium. Let's just go ahead and wipe off any of that extra grit. Okay, I'll get this nice and wet. And we'll do the same motion. So still can't tell. It seems like there's an edge. So go ahead and do the last one, which is fine. And hopefully after doing this one, you'll be able to see how sharp it is. All right. So let's do the paper test. Seems pretty sharp to me. So we'll give this a try. Try cutting some vegetables and see if I did it right. This is my first time doing it, and I'm sure that my technique can be improved. So if you have any ideas or comments, let me know.